Learn to exercise that fire of God that you have been given. The problem is we are failing to maintain the little that God has given us. If God has given you a certain dimension of fire, it is your responsibility, it is your duty to safeguard it, to protect it. But the problem we are facing today is we have allowed many fire extinguishers into our lives. As a Christian, as a child of God, you must never allow anybody who does not carry the fire of God in your life, because your friends, your companions that do not carry the fire of God, they come and they put out the fire that you are already carrying. Now the Bible says, he who cannot be trusted with a little, how can he be trusted with much? If God has already given you a certain dimension of fire and you are failing to maintain it, you are failing to safeguard it, how then is God going to increase you in what you are already carrying?